Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a vintage rear bicycle reflector. Now, this is my wife's restored bike, and one of the last things I needed to do was to repair this rear reflector. It was the whole luggage rack was in extremely bad shape. It was bent. Probably because somebody had been sitting on it, multiple persons, so it was bent, and the reflector itself was broken, was bent and broken, with the reflector part snapped in half. So what I did was I removed it and straightened it and removed the reflector, thinking I would be able to just simply mount another reflector. But that was wishful thinking, since these reflectors are riveted on the mount, on the reflector mount. So that was not able. I wasn't able to do that. Now I was left with the option to drill new holes, so I would be able to mount another reflector. But luckily for me, during my holiday, I was on holiday here. I found another guy who lived just around the block who did bike restorations himself, and he was kind enough, besides the frame lock I bought from him, to also, from one of his bike, he just took this same type rear reflector. He just took it off and sold it to me for like nothing. Now, it was a little bent out of shape. But it's steel, so it easily bent. I was able to easily bend it back, and I was really happy with this part. They're impossible to find. I couldn't even find images on the internet, let alone find a spare part. It was the last thing for this bike, and it was a bit of a hassle to get it back in place. But as you can clearly see here, there is not much shape for your hands, not much space for your hands. But kind of was the cherry on top, and I no longer had to stare at the dead eye when cycling at the back of this bike. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and drop a like. And if you have any questions or suggestions for new videos, feel free to leave a comment below, and you can also visit the website restoration.bike for more background information. And of course, I wish you all the best with your own bike restoration, and I hope to see you on the next video.